In this video, I'm gonna show you a simple yet massive product that has made more than $900,000 in just 2 weeks of being launched. I'm gonna show you their entire strategy and how you can replicate that success yourself. I'm gonna make a really nice discussion on how this company was able to launch that massive product, and it's very simple and you won't guess what it actually is. Let's go. Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here. I teach people how to grow their Shopify and e-commerce businesses to a next level. In this video, we're gonna go over a brand called Superkala, which is able to launch their product to over 6 figures, multiple 6 figures, and even the 7 figures. Probably by the time you're watching this video, they're already at $1 million. And as always, I love listening to your comments and questions. So we have a special giveaway of a guide on how to take your Shopify store from zero all the way up to $10,000 per day. If you want to participate in that giveaway, all you have to do is comment automate. And if you want to add in where you're from, the city and the country, a lot of students have been able to do that before. They put automate and then they put love from or where they're from. I'll give you extra bonus points. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I'll pick a winner from this video. And if you want to work directly with me and have me mentor you and my team help you to take your business to a next level, make sure to click that first link down in the description and get a free discovery call one-on-one with me or somebody in my team. You'll get to talk to the entire strategy that you need. Make sure to click that first link down in the description or wait until the end of the video for the details. All right, off to the brand. It's called Superkala and it is a Kickstarter project. Charging cables redesign. As you can see here on the right hand side, they made $892,000 with $408. This is updated on real time. So every 5-10 minutes, it goes up like $100, $200, $300. So by the time you're watching this video, it's probably way more than 900,000 or even $1 million at this point. See? It went up from $440 to $499, and every single time it keeps going up. So by the time you're watching this, it's probably a lot more. And funny enough, as I was recording this video, they just hit their $900,000 goal right here, $901,000 in just 2 weeks for the Superkala product. Insane. Over almost 20,000 people have bought this product, and usually Kickstarters are run for 30 days. If you don't know what a Kickstarter is, essentially a platform where you can launch products and projects that you're interested in or you want to make an actual company out of, and you just want to test it. You want to make a pre-sale or a pre-launch. And the product does have to be different. It can't just be a dropshipping product from AliExpress. It has to be pretty different than what everything else is. So what I recommend you do is you either go to design and tech here, which I like. It usually shows you products that are like this one, that are techie products, or at least product design. So you can check recommended for you, which are probably some products that I've seen in the website before, or you can go down to the bottom and explore product design. And product design is where you really find some dropshipping products, some products that will eventually turn into, for example, fidget spinners or posture correctors, massive, huge products. So for example, this one, Green Disc, the cleanest chain care ever. So it's for bike chains, and it's already made $205,000 out of 5,479 people in just about 2.5 weeks. So these are massive products. You can do a lot of research in here, and if you want to eventually launch your company or your product on Kickstarter, it's definitely open to that. So let's focus back on Superkala. This is actually a charging cable, so just a normal phone charging cable or iPad charging cable, but it has a special touch to it, and I want to show you the video so you understand exactly what that is. So as you can see, it is a special charging cable with little magnets that you can put together, and it is a team of about 4 people that created this particular product. These 4 people right here, and I think they're all family members actually. So it's just a family that created this particular product, and they got somebody to source it for them, and they're basically selling it now in 2 different colors, the Superkala little charging cable. So it is a pretty simple product. It isn't something super revolutionary. It's just cool. And it's kind of fidgety, so you want to play around with it. And it's also useful, and it solves a massive problem, which is you break your cables. Cables are too long, so you can put them really easily down there. So even though it is not a huge product, like it's not that massive, right? It's not that revolutionary, but it's at least playful. It solves an actual problem. And here, as you can see, he was actually fidgeting with this little pen here. He was fidgeting with the pen, and instead of fidgeting with the pen, you can fidget with the cable. And it doesn't break, and it's also very useful. So this is a product that solves multiple problems on a massive basis, and it's also very scalable. You can have all the world looking at this product and actually buying it. That's why it's able to make more than $900,000 or almost $900,000 here, and it's just a massive launch. The launch itself, he is a 7-time project creator, so he's made a lot of projects here on Kickstarter, a lot of very successful projects, and you can see that the cables come in this little packet. So even though the product isn't that great of a product or that revolutionary, it isn't a massive product or a huge, like actually big product, it's just a small cable that helps you fidget and also is very easy to pack together. It has that mass appeal. A lot of people want it. It's an impulse buy. It's also a little problem. People buy it right away. Nice GIFs here. And you can see iPhone. You can connect Android, every single thing to it. You can connect pretty much anything you want. So this is the particular product, has absolutely crushed it. And I know that it might seem so simple. And now we're gonna go into what the actual advertising strategy or the promotion strategy was for this particular product. So I couldn't find any Facebook ads for this product. I was trying again and again. So I looked at their Facebook page here, Superkala, on Facebook, and I tried to look at what ads they were running, and unfortunately they were running 0, and the page only has 250 likes. So I'm not assuming that they're not running any Facebook ads, just no Facebook ads from this particular page. Now I want to look at another page that I actually like to look at, which is the Best Crowdfunding Projects Facebook page. This Facebook page is called Best Crowdfunding Projects, 47,000 likes, and they promote a lot of different Kickstarter or Indiegogo, which is a competitor to Kickstarter, a lot of projects in those platforms, and they advertise them through their Facebook page, and I couldn't find any ads for this particular Superkala project. They're all about this little calf stretching tool here, or bags. I mean, they're pretty much all about this one. Not really any Superkala ads at all. And the way that I found them was actually through YouTube ads. So they ran this particular video that you're seeing here. They ran it through a YouTube ad. I saw it on YouTube, and it was just very captivating. In the first like 2 to 3 seconds, I kind of ignored it. It's just like, what is this? Just a cable. And then they actually showed what the product does, what it is. I went to the actual page, saw that it made so much money, and then I actually caught interest in it. So they're actually running a lot of YouTube ads to it, and YouTube ads to the Kickstarter page so that people can back it and actually buy it. And here, if you click back this project, you'll be able to buy one. So the single, you get it for $20, double, you get it for $30, and so on and so forth. Now, I was able to find one particular website that did promote the project and gave them a lot of exposure, and it's this one right here, producthype.co. Essentially a product hype tool or product hype website where they share a lot of different cool crowdfunding projects and a lot of crowdfunding products, and they were featured on this particular website. And the website, if we go to SimilarWeb here on the top, it tells us how many people visited, how much traffic the website has. It had 100,000 visitors in October and now has an average of about 50, 55, went down to 44,000, but on average it has 60 to 50,000 people per month, and also a newsletter, a lot of people that are watching the actual website, and a lot of different newsletters that are going out to all these different people. So definitely they got a lot of promotion from this website, and it is a massively funded project. And the cool thing about Kickstarter is when your project passes your funding goal, which in this case was 10,000, let's say your funding goal is 20,000 and you make 40,000, then they start promoting you to their people inside of Kickstarter saying, oh, you made 200% of your Kickstarter goal because you made 40,000 out of 20,000. So in this case, they've made like 9,000%. So they're getting a lot of traffic within the Kickstarter community, Kickstarter newsletter, Kickstarter website, plus this product hype blog or product hype website. They're getting those two traffic sources. Plus, I was able to find out who was responsible behind the marketing of the business. And it's actually this company called Enventis Partners. Shopify.com, and they actually work a lot with different Kickstarter projects or different product launches, just like these ones. And if you go to just a random one here, product development, to case study Dawn Joy X4, and it's this little, oh, it looks like it's a bunch of different products, but let's say this, the first one, this Dawn Joy X4. Let's see this case study here. Oh, and it's a bunch of different Kickstarter projects or crowdfunding projects. So this one in particular is like a knee brace. So just a typical knee brace. Let's see how much they actually made. And it doesn't say here. So let's go back to case studies and let's go to the other one that I saw there, which was Sip Top. Oh, crowdfunding, Sip Top. Let's see this one. And also Nectar, because it might be a little bit more relevant to us because it is a specific e-commerce company on Shopify. It is not just a crowdfunding company. So e-commerce case study, let's go to, oh, and they actually do work for a lot of different e-commerce companies, not just crowdfunding companies. And they made, let's see, an 185% increase in monthly revenue. Okay, but they don't actually say how much revenue they make. And then you can go to the crowdfunding projects here. Let's see, just a random at Handy Gym. View the case study. Let's see if they're actually legit, how much money they made with this one. Oh, okay, so they raised $386,000, 539 total backers, 1.9% of the goal raised. So they're actually a company that works with different marketing companies or different e-commerce and crowdfunding companies. I will contact them to see if I can get them on a video or see what their strategy is and dig deeper into that. Now, you might be wondering how to actually create a product like this for yourself to launch, because there's a lot of different products that you can take from AliExpress, start selling them, or different sourcing suppliers from China, or just traditional winning products that I give out here on the channel. But if you want to create a custom product just like this one and want to take it to another next level, maybe launch a Kickstarter, I am researching through multiple different manufacturers in China, both in the US and also in Europe. So there's a lot of different opportunities to create a product like this. If you are interested in me showing you how to get a custom product just like this one, make sure to comment down below if you want a custom product, or just comment like, yes, please make a video about custom products, or I want to learn how to make this product, something like that, because if it is an interesting topic that you guys want to listen about, I will make a full video just on that. My biggest lesson from this particular product or this particular Kickstarter making almost $900,000 is that your product doesn't have to be like a next level product or something crazy that people go crazy about. No, it just has to solve a problem, also has to be pretty interesting, and also has to be a mass appeal product. So in this particular one, it solves the problem of cables being all over the place, cables breaking, so it's kind of cool. You can also fidget with it, play around with it, and so on. And the third thing is it's also a mass appeal because everybody has a charging cable. So as soon as you match those three qualities, you have a product that you can massively scale up, even if it isn't a custom product, just a product on your Shopify store. If you have a Shopify business or an e-commerce business, or want to learn how to start an e-commerce business and want my expert help and my team to help you take your business to the next level and actually reach your goals, just like this student right here, Washington, who is consistently making $2,000 to $3,000 per day. I have many students just like him that are getting to their goals and absolutely crushing it. If you want to know how you can do it as well, make sure to click that first link in the description and book a free one-on-one call with either me or somebody in my team to see how we can work together. If you want to learn what the top winning products to sell right now are, that are not custom products that you can go and take and start selling them today and get sales and actually get results, make sure to check the video that's going to pop up right there. This video, top 3 winning products to sell now, mid-April 2020 and May. You can absolutely crush them. My students are getting great results with them. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, that like button if you enjoyed the video. Get a free strategy call with the first link in the description, and I will see you on the next video.